Ego Power Plus Shop Vacuum Wet Dry WDV0904 Review. Real cordless power proven in garage and car. Ever dragged a heavy corded shop vac across your garage and then realized the cord wouldn't reach the car? I spent 10 frustrating minutes hunting for an extension while a muddy mess sat waiting. Sound familiar? Drop a yes in the comments if cord management has ever ruined a perfectly good cleanup session. There is genuinely a better way to handle this now. The tension builds every time you start wrestling with outlets and tangled hoses just to vacuum a spill or detail a seat. That constant pressure of working around the cord instead of just cleaning is draining. Battery-powered handhelds feel underpowered. Corded vacs feel like punishment. There had to be something that actually combined real suction with true freedom of movement without compromise. Then everything changed when I found the Ego Power Plus Shop Vacuum Wet Dry WDV0904. Don't just pick any cordless shop vacuum. Make sure it has a brushless motor with at least 110 CFM suction, so you never waste time on weak airflow that leaves debris behind again. First session out of the box, I wheeled it to the driveway, clicked in the crevice nozzle, and started detailing the car without a single thought about outlet distance. Let me be honest, the suction on high mode felt comparable to corded units I have used for years. The 9-gallon tank handled a full weekend of garage debris and a wet spill without a single emptying trip. 3 power modes give you real flexibility. Eco for lighter runs, high for general cleanup, and turbo when things get serious. The wireless remote on the hose handle lets you switch modes or shut off the unit without walking back. The filter cleaning function kept suction consistent throughout. Onboard storage means every nozzle stays attached and ready. Long-term, the Ego Power Plus Shop Vacuum Wet Dry WDV0904 simply becomes part of your regular routine without drama. On tools forums, users consistently describe it as the first cordless shop vac that genuinely replaced their corded unit for daily garage and car work. A professional tools reviewer noted that 110 CFM and 60 minutes of eco runtime on a 5.0 AH battery is seriously impressive for a cordless wet dry vac, highlighting turbo mode as particularly strong on fine sawdust and wet debris. One detailing enthusiast paraphrased the experience well, going from soaking up water with a rubber bar to switching straight into high mode for dust without touching a second machine. An analyst reviewing Ego's 56-volt ecosystem pointed out that existing Ego battery owners get immediate value since everything cross-charges across the platform. Now, the honest objection worth addressing is the premium price point. It does cost more than a basic corded shop vac, but factor in the included 5.0 AH battery, charger, full accessory kit, 5-year tool warranty, and 3-year battery warranty, and the value calculation changes quickly. Which matters most to you? Total runtime or maximum suction power? Either way, the next section wraps this up cleanly. The Ego Power Plus Shop Vacuum Wet Dry WDV0904 transforms garage and car cleanup into something you actually look forward to rather than delay. No cords, no compromises, and no weak suction excuses. Thousands of homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and car detailers are already using it as their daily driver for exactly that reason. The results may vary depending on battery condition and task type. If this sounds like your kind of upgrade, the affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment. Go take a look. You deserve a cleaner space.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.